Okay, so before we get into the video, if you aren't new to the channel, you might have noticed that the Tech Republic now has a new logo. You could check it down over here or over here on like the channel icon. If you can't see it, then I'm also just gonna put it up here. So this logo was designed by an amazing artist and also my best friend, Pari, and I will put her Instagram over here. You should check it out. There's some really great art. So shout out to her before we get into the video. That's it. Let's get right into it. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope everyone had a great summer, staying safe indoors. If not indoors, wearing a mask and social distancing. And now it's back to school time. And back to school time probably might be pretty stressful for you guys, given that it's online and there are just so many things to keep track of with like Zoom links, calendar events, whatever problem you're going through with like assignments, whatnot. And so in this video, what I'm gonna try and do is provide you with some of my tech tips that I've been using to help stay organized, and hopefully it will help you stay organized as well and sort of de-stress you while getting back to online school. So let's get right into it. Okay, hey guys, so this is me editing the video, and after I edited pretty much the entire video, I realized it became really long and really boring. So this video is actually not all of the tips and tricks combined, it's just the first two, because that's how long I think it is. Like, the first two are long enough though, so that it doesn't get boring until the end. So this is a shortened version, and I will be uploading more videos on the same topic, like a mini series on back to school tech, in the coming week or so. So just stay tuned for that. And I'm sorry this kind of got cut short, but it gets really boring if it's too long. So the trade-off is what I needed to take, I guess. So my first tip for you guys is to download this app called Meter. Meter is really a life-saving app when it comes to organizing Zoom links by calendar event. So the way it works is essentially it looks at your calendar, and when you have an event with a Zoom link in it, like you could say add a class, like I have a class called Rhetoric and Communication, and I would add the Zoom link into Meter when making a calendar event. And so what Meter essentially does is it reads through the entire calendar, and so just their Zoom links, and has this nice easy to access menu bar, taskbar sort of thing, where you can just click on the button and it'll instantly open up Zoom and join that class. Let me just give you a demo. And so if you were to look at my calendar right now, I have this test event kind of thing that is an event that I'm just using for the video, and in the URL section it has this Zoom link over here. And so if you go to your home screen and you go to the menu bar, you can see the Meter widget over there, and if you click on it, it will give you the calendar event with the Zoom link, and it automatically recognizes that it's a Zoom call, so you can just click the button and join the Zoom call. Zoom should load in a bit and you can join the Zoom call, and that is pretty much it. So what I recommend you guys should do is create calendar events for each class, and in the URL section of the calendar event, you should add in the class's Zoom link so that Meter will be able to recognize it, and you'll be able to join Zoom calls much faster. And so you guys might be wondering, do I really need to create a calendar event for each of my class every day? And the answer to that is no, because you can actually create repeating calendar events. And there's a quick trick on Mac OS on the calendar app, which I'm just going to show you right now, sort of like a bonus tip, where you can create custom events which repeat only on certain days of the week. So say you have a class that repeats only on certain days of the week at the same time. That's how my school works. I have classes 4 days a week, and it shuffles essentially. So what you want to do is create a calendar event for the class, and so I'm just going to create a calendar event for class 1, and let's say it repeats only on Mondays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. So what you can do with that is under the add alert, repeat or travel time, you can just click under it over there, and then next to repeat where it says none, you click again and scroll, move your mouse down to custom. And once you click on that, you got this nice mini window where you can select the days of your week you want your event to repeat on. So I said Mondays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays, and I will create events for all of those days. And you can also go down to the URL and add in your Zoom link. So I just pasted it over there, And so I have the Zoom link over here, and it will repeat, and it will essentially copy over the class to the other days. And you can also see it in Meter. I have this event at 9:30 this morning, then Thursday, because today is Wednesday, and then Friday, and then Monday. And so I can just click on it and join the Zoom call. So that's pretty much it for the second tip and trick. So that is pretty much it for the first two tips and tricks, I guess. So I'm definitely sorry about that, but stay tuned for more coming this week. Now, if you did find this video helpful, and if you think this might help with your Zoom classes and organization, definitely leave a like because it just helps the channel grow, and hit subscribe if you want more fun videos like this. Like I said, more videos like this will be coming out soon, so definitely hit subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a nice day. Peace.